Hello, my name is John Skeet and I'm the CEO and Managing Director of ASX-listed Mithril Resources Limited. Now, Mithril is a gold and silver explorer with its flagship project located in Durango State, Mexico. The Copalquin district mining concessions cover 70 square kilometers and include dozens of historic gold and silver mines and workings, several of which were notable producers and with multi-level mine workings. Copalquin is a silver district with high-grade gold, and it has silver to gold ratios varying throughout the district from 10 to 1 and up to 100 to 1. Our Copalquin mining district is located in the Sierra Madre gold-silver trend of Mexico, where several major mining companies and explorers as well as dozens of juniors are active throughout Mexico, which is the world's largest silver producing nation. Mithril underwent a change of board control in 2019 and subsequently sought to acquire an asset to rejuvenate the company, which resulted in the acquisition of private company Sun Minerals Pty Ltd for its Mexican Copalquin gold silver property. The transaction was completed end of May 2020 with funding to complete a maiden drill program at the property, which was completed in the second half of last year. The company's market cap is currently around $40 million, and the share price has been largely tracking the gold price as we've commenced our early stage exploration work to establish the district as being highly prospective for gold and silver. At the end of March, we had $4.1 million in the bank. Mithril's board and management is made up of a diverse group of mining professionals with various backgrounds. Together, the board and management own 40% of the stock in the company, and with the top 20 holding about 50%. The board and management have significant experience in Mexico, covering exploration, project development and construction, with individual Mexico experience ranging from 10 to 30 years, and being key in successes in Mexico at Magistral, Ocampo, Palmarejo, prior to its $1.2 billion takeover by Coeur, and Cerro de Gallo prior to its takeover by Primera Mining. Drilling recommenced this year at Copalquin together with a capital raising, and we have continued to build the resource potential and geologic understanding of this high-grade epithermal gold-silver district, and we've managed to produce several great intercepts from the maiden drilling, and this is continued into the current phase of drilling. We've developed a geologic model based on our exploration and the geologic models developed by others that are typical of the gold-silver occurrences throughout the gold-silver trend in Mexico. This model on the right and our drilling results are directing us to drill deeper, which we have been doing with success. We are also seeing evidence of stacked boiling zones, which is indicative of greater depth potential and which is typical of epithermal deposits throughout this region, such as at Palmarejo, Agnico Eagle's Pinos Altos, and Teotito to the south. Our drill program for the remainder of this phase will focus on deeper drilling at El Refugio and also at the high-grade La Soledad multi-vein target just to the north. Plus, we will fit in some scout holes at Los Pinos and at El Indio, which have developed a strong target supported by the recent soil sampling program. This slide shows a portion of the district, and with two long sections indicated. And this is from our recent quarterly report. The top red line is for the La Soledad El Indio long section. This section is at La Soledad shows the highlight drill intercepts and planned holes for the target. La Soledad features multiple veins which extend east-west. The historic workings centered on a very high-grade gold-silver shoot, and our first drill hole in this area intercepted 3 meters at over 1 ounce of gold and 100 ounces of silver per ton. Intercepts in the parallel Leon vein have yielded 7.5 meters at 6.7 grams per ton gold and 158 silver. And hole 54 completed this year intercepted about 5 meters at 10 grams gold and 80 grams silver. The drilling has built up our understanding of the La Soledad veins and has enabled us to design a drill program to build the resource potential at this target, as well as extend it east to the historic El Indio mine, which features a well-developed silver anomaly in the soils. Next, we will look at this the section to the south of La Soledad through Refugio across to Los Reyes. This long section, which extends 2.4 kilometers from El Refugio to Los Reyes, the drill hole pierce points at El Refugio, shown in magenta, highlight the high-grade intercepts that have shown the grade thickness to have increased with deeper drilling. 2 to 3 veins are being intercepted with the drilling and exhibit important gold and silver mineralogy and geological features that show we're in the top of a large epithermal system for gold and silver. The yellow dots represent drill holes awaiting assays, and the turquoise are the planned resource development hole pierce point locations. Drill hole 50 successfully intercepted 4.17 meters at over 2 ounces of gold and 14 ounces of silver per ton. Everything we're seeing is directing us to drill deeper in this gold-silver system. And this is the main feature of the drill holes designed for the completion of drilling over the next couple of months, which will include 2 of our deepest holes at 450 meters each. We will also complete scout holes across to the east of Los Pinos. The vein model shown here in this oblique view indicate a probable intersection of the structures at El Refugio and La Soledad, which will be a key target for the drilling as it advances. This plan view of La Soledad shows the historic mine workings and the mined out stope, which is estimated to have produced very high-grade gold and silver throughout the late 1800s. In the order of 2 ounces of gold per ton and over 100 ounces of silver per ton. Some of the highlight intercepts are shown on the right from the maiden drill program, and as we sought to define the geometry and the geology of this important target area in the district. The work plan for 2021 is focused on producing a maiden resource estimate, and this first part of the district, and demonstrating the potential for expansion of this resource. We are also continuing to develop other target areas in the district. The work progress for the remainder of the year and the first half of 2021 will be to produce a maiden resource estimate and for the initial target area, with continuing resource and exploration drilling, continued development of the other drill targets in the district, and the commencement of work to support a future development study. In summary, Mithril is funded for its current phase of drilling and maiden resource estimate at the El Refugio target area. Copalquin provides exposure to both gold and silver in a well-developed and low-risk region, the largest silver-producing nation in the world. And Copalquin is an entire mining district with widespread gold and silver occurrences, a diverse and experienced management team with significant ownership and attractive valuation leveraged to both gold and silver price movements. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to providing more in-depth information about Mithril and the Copalquin project throughout the coming days of meetings. Thank you.